Hello, I am Priyanshi from ongrid.design. Welcome to this product presentation video. What you see in front of me is the final product of our home plan and 3D view services available by our customer Mr. Yogesh. In this video, we will take a deep dive into the content of the product as well as some interesting aspects of the project that took place between us and Mr. Yogesh. So let's get started. This is A3 size high gloss printed drawing set. This contains every essential drawing that Mr. Yogesh will need to begin his construction. Sheet by sheet together, we will understand the details of it. So, in the very first page, a lovely message from our team and content of the package is there. Next, we have the user manual. This is especially helpful to our DIY customer. Some key details that will teach you on how to read the drawings. So here we go. Plans. First, we have the realistic view floor plan with all the materials, furniture and boundaries. This is the ground floor. Let's move to the first floor. Nice big open plan and a great view of the front. Finally, the third floor. Essentially his private bedroom floor. Great use of material and textures. Is the architectural floor plan with complete furniture layout. It contains all the measurements in millimeter and every essential space sizes. First is the ground floor, then first floor with all the amenities and kitchen, and finally the second floor with his bedroom and wardrobe. These drawings provide complete measurement information so Mr. Yogesh can buy furniture directly referring the drawing. Next, you can see the civil layout. These plans contain all the relevant information your contractor needs to build slab, walls, doors and windows. Similarly, these are arranged row-wise and communicate some for toilets, balconies and staircase. Next, we move to the second aspect of the service, which is 3D exterior view and 2D elevation. Here, you can see the flat two-dimensional view of the front facade of the building. It has complete measurements again in millimeter, which assists the contractor to build and procure the building material. These views are arranged in set of 4, 2 side views and each front and rear. So finally, the money shot, which are the 3D exterior views with realistic materials, details and surrounding environment. Such views are critical for visualizing your dream home and explaining your project to your friends and family. You can judge the scale and price of your project and start taking steps to make your dream home come true. Thank you for watching this video. Now you know how Mr. Yogesh is powering his dream house with ongrid.design. You too can share your requirements with us. This is your host Priyanshi from ongrid.design. Signing out.